Hello and welcome. This is a new skin-free video. I want to show you how I did retouch or edit this image. I think the most important part in here, as you saw in the before and after in the Facebook group, it was I did check the apply preset automatically, and I did select one of my own presets. After this, all I have done is click the skin-free action, button in the skin-free plugin panel, and then I just waited for this to finish, and I did adjust the intensity of the preset because I feel it was a little too much, so I just decreased the opacity. And that's pretty much I have done over this image. As you can see, this is the result, and for me this is too much, so I will decrease this to something around here. I don't remember the exact number I have used, but something like this. Of course, you can keep working over this image. You can increase or decrease. In this case, I will decrease the intensity of the skin fixer, because I want to have maybe a little more imperfections or natural aspect in the skin. That's pretty much all. This is, let me show you a quick before and after. You can increase a little more the contrast. You can keep working. You know, you have all the layers in here. You can keep over these layers or adding more layers over. I don't know, I will increase the contrast a little more. Maybe this is way too much. Okay, let me show you again a quick before and after, and I think we are good. Okay, that's all for today, or at least for this image. So let me know what you want to see or what you would like to we show you about this plugin, and we will try to make some videos. See you, bye bye.